Hello students, are you getting my voice? Yes, వంశీ కొంచెము రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇచ్చి మాట్లాడాలి. టైం సెన్స్ లేదా అని అంటున్నావు. So if you are interested, you are trying to attend the class because online class is not an easy thing. So many things we have to do. So we may get some technical problems also. Yes, anyone please confirm. Are you getting my voice or not? So now, without wasting time, so we will be entering into the class. So today we are going to discuss a very, very important concept, that is about printf and scanf, because when you want to write any C language program, compulsory we are going to use printf and scanf. So why we are writing, how we are going to write the program, and everything will be discussed in this class. So just inform to your other friends also, ma'am. Tell them to join in the class. So we'll wait for 10 seconds. So after that, immediately we'll enter into the class. So now, how many of you are having the idea about printf and scanf? See, exam, C language exam, writing C language exam is nothing but the syntaxes and the programs, example programs are very, very important. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about printf and scanf statement. So we'll be discussing the practical session now. Today, I'm going to tell you how to write and how to execute a C language program. So when you're writing a minimum one program, so how we are going to write the program, that everything will be discussed. Okay. So now, okay, right now directly we are discussing. It is also one of the expected and important question in your final exam. The question is formatted input and output statements. Okay. What's the question we are discussing now? Formatted input and output. Okay. The question. So it is also one of the very, very important question. So once you understand this question, so directly you will be understanding how we are going to write the program. So what is the question now? Formatted. Okay. Formatted input and output statement. Input and output statement. Okay. Statements. Clear? So the same question you may get like this. Write about printf and printf function and scanf function. Okay. Scanf function. So anything, if you get any question like this, formatted input output means in when you write any C language program, so how you are going to provide the input and how you are going to display the output. So that we have to explain. So now the answer will be for this question is, so now I will be explaining first output. Okay, output statement. What I'm explaining here, output statement. Okay, so try to understand here output statement. Okay, the output statement which we are going to use, that is printf. Okay, so what we are using here, printf function. So try to understand here. Printf small letter only. You no need to write any letter capital. If you write one letter also capital, it will generate an error. Okay, so because now I will be explaining what is the reason. So this is printf function. Okay, this is printf function. So what is this? It is function, predefined function, predefined function. So try to understand everyone. I'll be in the before class also explain what is the meaning of function. Function is nothing but a self-contained subprogram. Okay, self-contained subprogram. Okay, subprogram. A function is nothing but a self-contained subprogram which is used to perform a specific task. Okay, specific task. So it means every function will do a certain operation. So example, sir, how to understand whether it is function or not? How can I understand? Means when I'm writing the bracket like this, see curve shape bracket, two brackets if I'm writing, this is the symbol. So you can understand this is nothing but function. This is nothing but function. So before to this, if I write ABC, so it means it is nothing but name of the function. It is nothing but name of the function. Name of the function. Okay. So in C language, the functions are two types. Okay. How many types of functions are there? Two types. One is predefined. Okay. Predefined function, and one more is user defined function. One more is user defined function. Okay. Predefined function and user defined function. Sir, what is the difference between these two? So it means these functions are designed, okay, or created, designed or created, created by language author, okay, and these functions are created by user or programmer. You may get doubts, okay. So who is user and who is programmer here? We, because I am the programmer, I am the user. So these functions are called as user defined function. The functions which are created or designed by the language author, okay, author is known as predefined function. So why we discuss this concept? To understand what is printf. If anyone is saying what is printf means, you have to say printf is a predefined function. Predefined function. Which function? Output function. Because we are discussing this
Hello,
concept.
students. Are you getting my voice? Yes. వంశీ కొంచెము
Okay.
రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇచ్చి మాట్లాడాలి. టైం సెన్స్ లేదా అని అంటున్నావు. So if you are interested, you are trying to attend the class because online class is not an easy thing. So many things we have to do.
Okay. So what is this? It is a predefined output function. What is printf here? Predefined output function. So why now? So I said already every function will do a specific operation. It means what this printf function will do, it will display the output of a program, output of a program. So in future, what is the program you're writing? That program answer, output is nothing but answer. Okay, answer it will display, or you can say result. Okay, result it will display. So this is called as printf functions. Clear everyone? What is printf? A printf is a predefined output function. So with the help of printf, what we can do? We can display the output of a program. Output of a program. So output is nothing but answer or result of a program. Whatever the program we are writing, that program answer will be displayed by the printf function. So you need to understand we are using Turbo C software. Okay, Turbo C software. What is Turbo C? It is a C language compiler. C language compiler we are using. Okay. So we will be doing practical now after 5 minutes. So what is Turbo C here? Turbo C is a C language compiler. So that already I have downloaded. It is from Google Play Store. I have already installed the software in my computer. So directly I'll be using. So before going to the practical session, so you need to understand what is the meaning of printf. Printf is a predefined output function. With the help of printf function, what we can do, we can display the output of a program or result or answer of a program. So, directly it will display an answer. No, first, sir, how to write printf statement? That is very, very important. So, see, theory is easy, but practical point of view, it's very, very important to understand. Syntax is very, very important. Sir, I will be going to the syntax. So if I want to use a printf statement, how to use the printf statement, I will be explaining line by line. I will explain. Now I will be explaining syntax. So please try to understand. When I'm writing the syntax means you need to understand syntax very, very uh, uh, easy way. Okay. So the first syntax I'm going to write here, printf function. So this is a syntax which is given by the language author. Okay. Bracket open and double quotation. So here you have to write argument. ARG1 means arguments. In shortcut I'm writing argument 1, double quotation, comma, See, after putting the double quotation, I am writing comma and argument to comma up to so on comma argument n things we can write. So it means, see, argument is nothing but something we have to write. So how many things we can write? N things we can write. N number of things we can write. But now observe it. Whatever we are writing in the first, that must be the double quotation. But see, when I have written argument two, argument 3, argument 4, argument 5, whenever you are writing the different arguments. So just for first argument only, we have to write double quotation. For remaining places, we should not keep the double quotation. It is one of the very, very important thing you need to notice in the syntax. Okay. Now, okay. Now, here you need to understand, sir, how to write printf. Okay. So I'll be demonstrating with some examples. Okay. So first, I'm explaining example number one. So what is the example number one? My question is, I want to display. See, so later after explaining this example, I'll be with the practical. Okay. See, in which software we are using? Turbo C software. Okay. In Turbo C, two color screens will be there. Two color screens. Okay. See, which color screen you are seeing? White color screen. This area. Okay. White color. Like when you are downloading or when you are installing the C language compiler, Turbo C compiler, two color screens you can see on the screen. One is blue screen. One is blue screen. Okay. And one is black screen. Okay. Black screen. In blue screen, what you can do? We can write program. In black screen, you can see output, or you can say result. So got a clarity now, everyone? So when you are using the Turbo C software, two color screens you can see, one is blue screen and one is black screen. In blue screen, we are going to write the program. After writing the program, we'll be doing compilation and we can execute the program. Once you see the output will be displayed in the black color screen. Okay. Now, the thing is, the very, very important thing you need to understand here is, okay, so the thing is how to use printf statement. How to use printf statement. Now, the example one I'm demonstrating. Try to understand. See, this assume this is my black color screen. This is my black screen. Black screen is nothing but output screen. Output screen, right? So in this output black color screen, I want the message hello. I want simply message hello. I want. Okay. So for that, what I'm going to do? Which line I'm going to write? I will write like this, printf. Okay. In printf, just what I need to get here? Answer. Only hello message I want to get in the black color screen. That is my result or output. So here in double quotation, what I'm going to write here? Just I will write hello I'm writing. So after that, I'm closing the double quotation and closing the bracket. Try to understand in this example one, how many arguments I have written? Only one argument. Only one argument I have written. Okay, argument one only I have written, or first argument I have written. So in double quotation, try to understand after writing this line in blue screen, the output will be you will get hello. So you need to understand, sir, when you have written the syntax, in syntax you written argument one, argument two, argument three, argument n. See, it depends upon the program. The number of arguments may be more or less. So as per this example, what is the question I given? I said only just to display the hello message on the output screen. For that, we are going to write the program like this. Printf in double quotation, we are writing hello. After that, semicolon we have to put. Now try to understand in double quotation, whatever you are written, whatever you are writing, that will be displayed as it is on the screen. Okay, except two things are not displayed. One, except what? Format specifier. Okay, format, format specifier. So that you will understand later specifiers. This will not be displayed. But whatever, suppose if I write one more example, if printf welcome to C language, welcome space to space C language, something I have written. So now semicolon. Okay, now output will be in black color screen. It will open the black color screen, and the black color screen you'll get welcome to C language, welcome to C language you will get. Okay, now clear everyone up to here? over. So the next important thing, see, I'll be telling you the important point. You to remember what is printf here? Predefined output function. Predefined output function. Okay, output function. Now try to understand output function. So try to understand everyone, please. Please be attention. So why I'm saying? Because printf is function. Which function? Predefined. Who created? Author. He created. It means it is function is nothing but it is also a program. Function is nothing but it is also a program. But this program is not created by you. This program is created by the author. So he created and he stored this program in stdio.h header file. So it is like one file. Okay, one file, or you can say folder. Okay, so it is called as one file or folder. You can assume it is one file or folder. Whatever the concept he created, this is also one program. He saved this program in this header file called stdio.h. Okay, now so it means see how I'm writing program in the before class we discussed about the basic structure of C. Now what I am going to write here? How to write the program? Hash include stdio.h we are writing. So now try to understand why I have written stdio.h, because my question is I have given one question to you. Write a C program. Write okay. Write a C program. Write a C program to display okay, to display hello on black color screen. Hello on black color screen. Okay, black screen. Clear everyone? So it means I have given one question to you. See, I am the faculty, I am the lecturer. I am giving one question to you. What is the question? Students, please write one C language program to get a message hello or display the message hello on black color screen. So this is question. I have given the question to you. So what you have done after taking this question, you have written the program like this. As include stdio.h, and after that you're writing void main. You know already every C program execution starts from void main. Or you can also say instead of void, you can also write int main also can write. Int main or void main both are same. Any one word you can use it. Okay. After that flower bracket open. So what is the question? We need to display hello. So what I'm writing here? Printf. You know already. If you want to display any message on the screen, which function we need to use? Printf function. So what is the message you are going to display? Hello. Okay. After this semicolon. So after this close over program. So once you write this program, so where we are going to write this program in where we are going to write this program in Turbo C software in Turbo C software. Okay. After writing this program in Turbo C software, that too in which screen? Blue screen. After writing this program in Turbo C, we are going to perform the two steps. Okay. Okay, one is Alt plus F9, Alt plus F9. So by using the keyboard, we will press Alt button, we will hold. After holding the Alt button, we'll press F9. So it is nothing but compile, compiling. So what is the meaning of compiling? We whatever the program I have written is like it is look like English only, na? Right? So this program will be converted into machine understanding format. Okay. You know why we are pressing Alt plus F9? Because we want to compile or we want to convert our program into machine understanding format. Okay. So by pressing Alt plus F9, our program is converting into machine level language. So once the machine is understanding, computer understanding language is binary, zeros and ones. So once the computer is understanding this program, what computer is doing? It will do process and finally it will generate the output. To see the output of this program after compiling, we need to press Control plus F9. So once you press Control plus F9, you will get the output screen. Output screen will be displayed. So one important thing you need to observe, if you do any mistake while writing the program, your program is not going to be compiled. Once your program is compiled, then only you can see the output of the program. Even if you miss, suppose see after writing the printf statement, if I miss semicolon here, your program will not be going to execute because the compiler will generate an error. One particular statement does not contain the semicolon. So everything will be explained. Okay. Now we'll go to the practical session. So after that we'll discuss some more programs. Okay. Right now we'll be opening Turbo C software. So please everyone observe yes because already I have downloaded the software in my program computer. So now see it is showing some garbage program. So we'll be to go into the file and we'll open new again I will go to the file. See it is opening some previously written programs. Right. So once this program is written, now what we are going to do here, we are writing one program hash include stdio dot h. Now please listen student here. Why I have written hash include stdio dot h? You know the reason? Because what is the program? What is the program? What is the program? Slash slash. What is the program? Right. Write a C program. Write a C program. This is the question which I'm giving to you. Write a C program to display hello. Okay. Hello message on output screen. Output screen. Okay. Okay. So this is a program, right? So if you want to display any output on the screen, which function we are using, ma? Which function we are using? Printf function. The printf is also a program, but it is not created by you. This is created by author. Where we store this program, author is stored this program in this file or this folder. What is that? So that is the reason I'm telling to the compiler. So what I've written here, hash include. What is the meaning of hash include? I'm telling to the compiler, please include stdio.h header file, or it is also called as folder. In that folder, whatever the programs are there, that also you can add to my program. So this is the meaning of this particular line. So after this, what we are writing here? Void main. Okay. So after this, I'm writing. Please try to understand. Print f. Okay. Clear up? Printf. What I'm writing here? Hello. Double quotation and semicolon. Semicolon. Okay. Now, see, if I miss semicolon here, please try to understand. Just casually, just I have removed. So after adding the printf statement, after closing the bracket, we have to put semicolon because these are the rules which is given by the language author. So what are the rules which is given by the language author? We have to follow it. Okay. So after that, what I said, we need to press Alt plus F9. I'm pressing Alt plus F9 from my keyboard. So listen students here, the number of lines are compiled. It means 314 lines of program is converted into machine language. So actually you count the number of lines here. See, this is flower bracket 1, printf test statement 2. This is one flower bracket is also third line, void main fourth line, hash include fifth line, and printf is sixth line. Total how many lines of program I have written? Six lines of program I have written. Just you compile it again, Alt plus F9. See how many lines it is showing? 314 lines. It means which line you have written here? Hash include stdio ordered. It means once if I compile the program, the printf is also program. The complete printf program is available in where? stdio.h. The what the compiler is doing? It went to that location. In that location, what are the concept which is related to the printf? Everything is captured and it is added at the back end. So this is a front end program. Along with your program, author written program is also joined. Okay. So that is the reason it's showing 314 lines. Okay. So down you can see it is showing error. What is the error here? A statement is missing semicolon. It means your program is missing what? Okay. One line is missing semicolon. So what we have to do here? We need to put semicolon here. So once you compile it, now again I'm pressing Alt plus F9. Alt plus F9. See, now error is removed. Error is removed. So now try to understand here. Now error is removed now. Okay. So error is removed. So try to, okay. Now after compiling successful, we have to press Control plus F9. What we have to press? Control plus F9. Now see, screen is blinked. Have you observed or not? Just observe it. Screen will be blinked. So it means black color screen is appeared and within a fraction of second the screen is closed. Again you see observe it. Please carefully you need to observe the screen. Okay, again I'm pressing. Just observe it. Blinked or not? Yes. So it means what happened? I have written the program, but output screen is not displaying, right? So what we need to do? We need to tell to the compiler why you are closing output screen automatically. Please don't close that output screen. So keep that output screen alive. Okay, so for that we are going to write get ch. Okay, what we are going to write get ch. What is the use of get ch? Get ch will not close the output screen directly. Okay, once user see one when the suppose if you are in room, so already fan is running. So when the fan will go when the fan will is going to be off, once you go to the switchboard and if you touch the switch button off, then only the fan is going to be off. The similarly get ch is nothing but it is also one of the predefined function. This is also created by the language author only. He created this concept and he stored in the header file called as hash include conio.h conio.h. Clear everyone? Why I'm writing include conio.h? Because getch is also one program, but this program is not created by you. This program is created by the language author and he stored this concept in conio.h. Okay, conio.h. Okay. Now, again, once you write any program or if you make any single correction also, every time you have to compile the program. Again, I'm compiling the program. See, look at the screen here. So how many lines before? 314 lines. See, just I've added only one line. What is that? Get ch. But now how many lines it is showing here? How many lines it is showing? 463. It means it is including the concepts, okay, which are stored in conio.h. Okay, it means what are the concepts author is created. So that concepts are also added with the my program. So the total number of lines are 463. Okay, now again I'm compiling and again I'm executing the program. Just observe it. Now you see on my black color screen three times hello message you are getting. Sir, why you are getting three times? Because the first time hello before you see in the I have compiled total three times. So three times I executed the program. So three times three outputs are getting. So it means it is also carrying the previous outputs also. So I don't want previous answers. Every time I want the current answers only. So for that, what we are going to do? See how I and went back to the blue screen. Once you touch any button from the keyboard, so immediately the getSys function will be activated and it will close the blue screen and black screen and it will go back to the blue screen. See again I'm compiling. Please observe here. See again I'm compiling. Alt plus F9 and enter button. Control plus F9. You see fourth time allow you are getting. Okay. So which screen you are seeing on the screen now? Black screen. If you want to go to the blue screen, touch any button from the keyboard. So immediately this button will go back to the blue screen. Okay. So who is doing this work? GetCH is doing. Now observe it four times. So it means recently what are the output you have written. See, I am writing one more function before to the printf. Before displaying my message on the screen, CLR I'm writing CLR. So what is the meaning of CLR function? It will clear the output screen. It means in black color screen previously how many times you compiled. I don't want the previous answers. I want every time fresh answer. Okay, current answer. So for that we are using CLR. What is the meaning of CLR? Clear the screen. It means which screen? Black screen. So CLR and getCH are the two predefined functions which are also available in conio.h only. For this we no need to write a separate header file. It means printf function, sorry, CLR function and getSys functions are available in conio.h. When I'm using any one of these functions, it is compulsory for you to write conio.h. Okay. See, again I'm compiling the program and again I'm executing the program and observe it. You are getting hello only one time. Sir, what about the previous answers? Because every time the CLR function is clearing the previous outputs. Okay. So that is the beauty of CLR function. Okay. Now if I don't write this as include conio.h, now see again, I need to compile the program. You can see the error now. You are getting two errors. What is that? Function CLR should not have a prototype. It means what is CLR? It is asking you what is the meaning of CLR. I did not understand what I need to. What is the meaning of getch? So this because it is searching, it is treating as your program, but we have not written the program. So this program is created by the language author. So compulsory author information if you want to use, it is compulsory for you to include your header file in your program. Hash include right? Conio dot h. Okay. I hope everything is clear to you, right? Clear, everyone? So till now, whatever I have given, please uh, just uh, give your responses, ma. Till now, whatever the example I have explained, is it okay? Any doubts? Please need responses from you. So then only I can go to the other topic. Yes, ma, please. Yes, clear, everyone? Ma, see, okay. So later we'll be discussing the answers. Okay. I have already prepared my material, C language material. Those who want material, so by paying 30 rupees, I'll be giving the number. So make a payment of 30 rupees. Okay. Agreement and send a screenshot to this number. Okay. So I will. It is very easy notes. So I prepared by me. Uh, those who want the material, just can make use of this material. So 9032545516. This is the number, ma. Make use of this number and you can make a payment of 30 rupees. So after paying, and you can send a WhatsApp screenshot to this number, WhatsApp. So immediately you can get a material. Okay, C language material. It is already question and answer type material I have already prepared. So make use of that answers again you can learn. Okay. Now see, okay. Some of the students are asking about return zero. Okay, return zero in the comment section. Some of the students are typing return zero. Return zero is also act like a getch only. Okay, if you are using other compiler, in other compiler we no need to write the C. Dev C++. Dev C++. It is also one of the C language compiler. Okay. In this compiler, we no need to write getch. In place of getch, we can write return zero. It means you are saying return zero. Okay. So you what is the meaning of return? This story you will understand once you go to the concept of functions. Okay. So because it is a beginning class. So in the beginning class only, you cannot understand everything now. Clear, everyone? So next, the important thing you are going to discuss the example number two. Right. Now, example number two, I have created one variable int a equal to 10. Okay. So what is a? A is a variable. What is a? A is a variable, and 10 is nothing but value. 10 is nothing but value. So what is int? Int is nothing but data type. Okay. Data type. Please clear, everyone. What is a? A is a variable. It is holding the value 10. Okay. So 10 is nothing but which value? Integer. If I write like this, int a equal to 7.3. Wrong. Because a is which variable? Integer variable. Integer variable. We can store only 7, but not 7.3. What is 7.3? 7.3 is a decimal number. Decimal numbers we cannot store. So integer is nothing but a number which is not having a decimal point is known as integer. You may store positive number. Suppose you can also give minus 10, no problem. You may give positive number or negative number. It is your choice, but decimal number should not be there. Okay. Now this is my now I want output screen. See, I am drawing one output screen. I want the answer like this. The value of a is equal to 10. I want. Okay. What I want? What I want? Open Anu. So what I want the value of a equal to 10. Now, what I want to do here, again, I'm going to write printf statement. How I'm going to write here? Printf. See, this is example number two. Ma. In example number, only hello message will display. Now try to understand. This is output now. In this output screen, you need to observe the value of A equal to up to here. This is like message. And what is this 10? 10 is nothing but value. So how we are going to display this value like this here in double quotation? We have tried the value of A equal to, okay, close the double quotation. Why? Because 10 is nothing but value. 10 is nothing but value. 10 is nothing but value. So we cannot write value directly here. Okay. So what we have to do and so what we have to do, we should not close the double quotation here. So we have tried percentage here. Percentage D we have tried. Okay. After that, we need to put double quotation comma A. Like this, we are going to write. So what is the meaning of percentile D? Percentile D is nothing but format specifier. Format specifier. Which format specifier? It will represent percentile D is representing one integer value. One integer value. Try to understand everyone. So whatever I have written in double quotation, it is displaying as it is on the screen. Okay, as it is on the screen. So see, the you are getting as it is, value also you are getting as it is, off also you are getting as it is, A also you are getting as it is, equal to also you are getting as it is. But in double quotation, before what I said, in double quotation, whatever we are writing, everything will get as it is except format specifier I said. Because try to understand here, what is this percentile D format specifier? In place of format percentile D, what it is displayed? What it is displaying? It is displaying the value which is stored in A. This A value will be replaced in place of percentile D. So in place of percentile, what is which value you are getting? 10 you are getting. What because in A what value I have stored? 10. That 10 will be displayed in place of percentile D. So that is the story behind writing the format specifier. Now, yes, please, I'm giving one more example. Please, anyone write, uh, tell me the example here. Int A equal to 10 and comma B is equal to 20. Okay, semicolon. Now I want output like this. The value of A equal to, okay, 10 I want, and B is equal to 20 I want. So tell me anyone, please do the comment. Do the comment. Yes, if you know the answer, please type that answer in the chat box. So how to write printf statement for this line to display the answer? Just try it anyone. We'll see whether you're written correct or not. Check it. So I am writing my answer on screen. So how to write printf. So what I will write here? The same thing, the value also you have tried of A equal to what we have tried in place of 10, we have tried percentile D because 10 is an integer number. Okay. Next, A and D and as it is we have tried, and B is equal to also we have tried, and here also we have tried percentile D. Because why I am writing percentile D, 2 percentile D? Because A and B are how many, which variable? Integer. So how many values are there? Two values. These two values are which type? Integer. So we have tried 2 percentile Ds here. Okay. So double quotation close to. See, from this, from double quotation to, from here to here, here to here, so here to here, only argument one is there. So after that, we have to write comma. In place of first percentile D, you need to display the value. Now, whose value? First percentile D, A value. You write A here, comma. Next, whose value? Next comma B. So try to observe here. In this printf statement, how many arguments are written in example 2? This is example 3. This is example 3. Right? This is example 2. In example 2, how many arguments are there? Two arguments are there. So that is first double quotation opening to double quotation close. It is one argument and A is second argument. So two arguments are there. So in this example, how many arguments are there? Three arguments are there. Three arguments from double quotation double opening to close one argument, comma. Comma is the separator for one argument to other argument. So first argument, second argument, and comma B, which means total three arguments I have written. Okay, three arguments I have written. It depends on the program. The number of arguments may be more or less. Okay. So last one example I'm giving to you. So you tell me, if I create one float variable, please write down the example in the write down the example in, okay, example. So check, maybe your internet connectivity issue, man. So here we don't have any problem. So my voice is okay here. Just once check it, right? Now example. So I'm creating float x is equal to 3.45. Okay. So what I want to answer like this. The value of x is equal to 3.45. I want the answer. This answer I want. Okay. This is my output. So to get the output, so to get the output, what I need to write? Tell me, printf. Anyone? Please guess the printf statement. Yes. Yes, anyone? Please type the answer in the chat box. So just compare my answer with your answer. So if you are not getting, try to understand. So what is x here? X is nothing but variable. X is nothing but variable, right? What is this 3.45? 3.4 is nothing but value, right? But you observed int means integer value, but float, what is float here? Data type. So data type. So why I'm writing float data type? Because if you want to display the decimal values, for that we need a float value. Float value. Okay. So now how to write printf statement? Printf in double quotation, the value of x is equal to, okay. So now you may get doubt percentile d. So we know we should not write percentile d here. Why? Because percentile d is indicating integer. But now which variable we created here? X. Which variable x is? Float variable. For float variable, we need to write percentile f. So we have to write percentile f in double quotation, comma, okay, x we have tried. So, okay, so how many arguments are there? Two arguments. From here to here, argument one, okay, and this is argument two. Clear, everyone? Yes. How to write printf and scanf? I hope everything is clear to you. Very good, Sumit. So you are in the correct track. So print you are ready. Printf you have tried. Okay, very good. So I think everything is clear to you. Yes, ma. Everyone. Anyone is having any doubt? Sakshi. So you are also very good. Very good, ma. So you're also in the correct track. Okay. So this is the beauty of printf statement. I hope how to write printf statement. Everything is clear to you. Now the next topic. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to discuss about the scanf concept. Okay. Clear, everyone? Printf concept is clear. So just I'll be showing the practical of printf statement. Right now I'll be opening to the Turbo C. So this is the Turbo C screen. Again, okay. Right now I'll be creating the variable. So int a is equal to 10 I have given, right? So I want the answer, the value of a equal to 10. So that I am showing as a particle. So what I will do here, the value of a is equal to percentile d double quotation comma a. Okay. After writing the program, what we need to do? Compile by pressing Alt plus F9 and execute Control plus F9. So are you getting the answer? Check it once. Clear, everyone? How to write printf statement? Okay. This is the beauty of printf statement. So I will write one more variable here. So I will write here int a comma b is equal to 45. Something, any value you can give. It is not only 10 and 20. You can give any value. It's your choice. So what we have to write here? A equal to percentile d and b is equal to percentile d. What we have to write? A comma b. A comma b. So again compile the program. Again, compile the program and execute the program. Like, see, now you are getting the value of a equal to 10 and b is equal to 45. Got a clarity? So, okay. See why we are taking more time to explain this concept, because this is a one important topic. Because recently your seniors have written the exam, C language backlog exam. So many of the students have written, even they don't know how to write printf. So many mistakes they have written. So to avoid that problem, so I'm explaining float, float. Okay, float A is equal to 56.89. Okay, something I have written. Okay, so for this, what we have tried? So again, I'm removing all this. The value of A is equal to what we have tried here? Percentile F we have tried, because A is a which variable? Float variable. Float value can be displayed by using. So what we have tried here? Comma A we have tried. See, you may get doubts, sir. You are writing. See, A is nothing but variable. You can also write your name also. A variable is nothing but a name which you are giving. You may write X or P or Q or W or whatever the name you are giving to the variable, that is your choice. So generally we will be giving ABC, it will be better for us. You can also write, suppose I am writing BCom, if I written, what's the name of the variable? BCom. Whenever I'm writing the value of BCom. So what I will write here? The value of BCom is equal to percentile F. So in place of A, what I write here? BCom. Okay. So because if you write single letter, it is easy for you to type. If you write bigger name, so everywhere you have to write that was a bigger name. All right, Alt plus F9 and Control plus F9. See here. Okay, so this is about the concept of printf statement. So I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you, Sumit, for your positive comment. So maximum what I will do, at least 10 to 15 questions I'm going to explain, Sumit. Okay, because I know I can understand exam is very less time is there. So at least I'll cover maximum 12 to 15 questions I'll cover before to your exam, final exam. Just learn that questions. Definitely you can score a very good marks in your final exam. That is for sure. Okay, clear everyone. Thank you, Ma. So we are ending the session now. So that tomorrow we'll be discussing scanf, and tomorrow we'll be discussing two topics. One is scanf, means formatted input output answer will be completed, and one more very important topic we are going to discuss, data types. It is also one of the very important question and expected question in your final exam. So that question will be explaining. So after that, if possible, tomorrow I'll be covering three questions more. Okay, please share our channel details to your friends also, so it will be very useful for them. Okay, right. Thank you.
Daddy, Mama, you get explained and previous.